I understand him.
But he can speak English.
So, Allah Ta'ala in Hajj, Allah Ta'ala want we should become lover. So, if you are lover of Allah and Rasulullah Sallam, you will not make your any position. So, if this kafiyat and this thing, after Hajj also we have, inshallah, one day we become Wali Allah and a friend of Allah Ta'ala. But people when go back Pakistan, they leave, they forgot and they lose this position. What we getting now here, they lose this. If you not lose,
So I think, personally, I think a lot of people, they come to Hajj just for the formality and just to, I don't know, it's like a leisure trip for them as well. They're not for some people, it's just experience. That's what I think. That's what I think.
oh, this Abdullah ibn Mas'ud Razillahu Ta'ala knows, great Sahabi, he narrated that 4 kinds of Haji will be near Qiyamah. 4 kind of Haji. One for show off, that I'm going Hajj. My 10th Hajj, my 11th Hajj, for show off. Second for begging the people. And third for trade, this trade. Yani they make Hajj for tradition. Yeah. And fourth, for sake of Allah. But this, very few.
What about the people, that initially they go for the sake of Allah, but when they get to the place and they're surrounded by people who are there for other reasons. So how do you make sure that you're not losing your position?
The protection of your ibadat. If people say, Haji Sahab, Mashallah, Mubarak, you make shukr. When you make shukr mean is by Allah Ta'ala. Not I did anything. Allah Ta'ala is make. You make shukr. If you make shukr, is the protection of your ibadat. It's very easy way. Ya Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Allah Ta'ala gave me tawfiq for this. This is enough. That any deed, any good deed you have, and people praise you, you say Alhamdulillah. Is enough. Is with his protection. Shukr is protection.
You don't clap Arabic, and then after you say Alhamdulillah, I don't know.
Because Alhamdulillah mean I didn't do anything. Yeah, Allah gave me tawfiq. I can't do. Alhamdulillah. So Allah wants this. Allah wants this. As you say Alhamdulillah, is your this good deed and this ibadat is protected in your amal nama.